Bing bong. Hello there folks, and how is it going? And welcome back to another video. Now, welcome to the end of 2025. Wow, that went fast. And slow at the same time. So, you know, there's a bit of a trade-off there, I guess. But here we are at the end of another year, and I am doing my kind of yearly roundup, as I like to call it, looking back as we move forward kind of video. This year's been a bit of a topsy-turvy one, to be honest. And where did we start? We started off in Ireland, as you all know. And then after Ireland, we packed up our trusty steed Polly and hit the road, came back to Portugal, and had some beautiful road trips into Spain. And then poor old Polly decided to give up the ghost on us, which was very sad indeed. We still use her. She is just behind you. And but yeah, very sad indeed. You know, the upside is that we have got a brand new van. If you guys, you know, were watching along throughout the year, I made a video about the new van and obviously posting on social media and stuff, which has been a joy. We're still in the process of getting that built. It is currently now the 30th of December and the van is just over in the mechanics. Just needed to get the it's a bit stiff shifting gear, so I was just getting that looked at. But other than that, everything else is running smoothly. The fair play to Orla was smashing up the insulation, and then I put some of the stuff on the roof, and we're literally in the process now of designing the inside. So as soon as we get him back, we will head out to Coimbra and buy all the bits of wood that we need to lay down the floor and finish off the kind of interior before we settle down and like really build the van. So it's just been a wild year. Obviously we've been on this campsite now for I think it's been about 9 months. It's the longest we've ever lived on a campsite in our entire lives, and who would have thought it? But here we are nonetheless. It's a beautiful day today. It is cold. The weather is set to turn, unfortunately, so, but sure, look, them's the breaks. Obviously the big thing that happened over the last couple of months that we are currently going through here on the channel is all of the workshops that I led in lieu of Brendan banjoing up his knee. They've been a real eye-opening experience, and one that I cherished and relished the opportunity to grasp. For me, it was the kind of like final step I think I needed to, you know, really lean into my own workshops in a sense that like, oh, I actually can do this. So yeah, so that was a big thing. Obviously getting to go to Cape Town, Namibia again, and of course Botswana, and then we went back to Dublin then. Not that I didn't make any videos in Dublin, but then we flew to Japan. So all of that fun stuff is still coming. Next week's video, I just finished editing the pictures for next week's video from the desert. Yeah, wow, you're going to see a couple of them pop up in here because yeah, I love that desert, man. It's so beautiful, and it was such a joy to photograph once again. Oh, and one big lovely thing that happened as well was the big overhaul of the website, which I am so happy about. It took me maybe, I think I was about 5 or 6 days kind of at it, but really everything about the website has completely changed. The previous design I felt was a bit kind of like, I don't know, it felt a bit kind of stupid or something. I don't know. I didn't like it at all, and I never liked it. As you know, as nice as Squarespace is, sometimes the templates can be quite restricting. So I actually used, with the help of Gemini, to create what you see on the website now, just purely using HTML code and CSS. So that's been a real treat and a very good learning experience. So it's been really wonderful. So after the updates to the website, that was really kind of about it in terms of the year that kind of happened. So let's pop up some pictures and let's have a look. I'm going to try find some smooth jazz to play, or some campfire kind of like smooth jazz to play as we look through some photographs, and then we'll get back into what's to come for next year. So let's have a look at some photos. folks, I hope you enjoyed those images. I certainly had a good time taking them. And as I say, some of them they haven't been in videos yet, just because I knew what I was taking them throughout the course of the workshops that I was running. Oh yeah, that's going to be a good one, you know. So obviously I need to catch up with myself in terms of the actual videos for the photographs. But you know, one of these videos wouldn't be complete without a kind of projection into next year. And you know, who am I to skip that part of one of these videos? Next year is probably going to be a very, very busy one. If you are on my newsletter, which I would highly recommend you sign up for, because it is awesome. I had alluded to the fact that I had applied for a few jobs here and there, and I have since applied for other workshop leader jobs with other businesses and companies. And one of them I am in the very final stages of getting through. It's not a photography related workshop leader, it's just a workshop leader, but I figure I might as well try and garner as much experience kind of in the field leading people as I can, because this is obviously where I want to take my business moving forward. So that's going to be really nice. I actually fly to Florence, of all places, at the end of February, and then I have to go back to Dublin because I need to renew my license. And then if I'm successful after the Florence thing, then the training for that role begins, and that's actually in the south of France, mind you. And so that should be nice with some cheese and crackers. But then obviously the workshops then that I have organized for myself, which are all on the website, I'm going to scale back the ones that are up there at the moment, because I really want to focus on trying to sell the Namibia, Botswana and Japan trip that I have at the end of the year, just because of the overlap. The Namibia trip that I have planned is going to be great. It's basically kind of classic stuff of what you're seeing at the moment, minus Etosha National Park. I really, really, really want to dive deeper into the Skeleton Coast, and I have been chatting with them. You have to do that basically with a tour operator. So I have been contacting them and chatting to them about it. Just need to finalize prices and things. And then the Botswana trip is like, it's pretty much finished. I just need to kind of, put it all into the website and press go. And that's going to be really, really great. As 3 nights in Chobe, 3 nights in Savuti, 2 nights in the Okavango Delta, and then, of course, Victoria Falls. So that's going to be really, really great. And then the Japan trip that I have planned for 26, again, it's just going to be a gorgeous road trip, because that place is just incredible. Pretty much at the same time of year, so we will be photographing some nice autumn colors. So if you're any way interested in any of those particular workshops, then please get in touch. Or if you have any friends that be interested, you're most welcome to let them know as well. And then obviously into 27. Again, if you're on my newsletter, which you should be, because it's awesome, I kind of lean into it a bit more on the newsletter. I'm hoping to organize a trip. I am in talks with a tour operator for Patagonia for 27, and if we can dip our toe into a bit of Southeast Asia as well, that would be fantastic. So all of that wonderful stuff is to come. And again, when the new van is ready, Orla and I will continue our adventures on the road where we pretty much left off when Polly kicked the bucket. So we have lots and lots of stuff to look forward to. Our plan is to visit the north coast of Spain. We definitely want to visit the Pyrenees, and of course into Italy and the Dolomites and the Alps in general, because we have never been there and we absolutely want to go there. So that's the kind of rough outline about what will happen in 26, all going to plan, of course. And actually a bit of an insight, I have a nice kind of surprise arriving in the post in the next couple of days, but we'll talk about all that at another time. And so that's going to be nice, so stay tuned for that little upgrade. And what else is there? I think that's really about it. There's nothing else too strange or startling at all. I'll try to leave this one as short and sweet as possible, so you guys can get back to your New Year's Eve preparations. And I really, really hope everybody had an absolutely wonderful, wonderful time over the kind of like Christmas and holiday season. I know it can be a bit up and down for some people, and that's totally fine. I hope you all got through it okay. And I really also want to say thank you so much to everybody that has shown support for this channel, because I think I'm pushing on 4 years. I think I'll be going into my 5th year at doing this on YouTube. And the support that and the little community that's been kind of building and growing behind it has just been humbling, to say the least. And I really appreciate everybody that's commented and liked, and certainly people that have kind of messaged me directly. It's just been so great, and particularly the people then that get back to me when I send out the newsletters. It's just been so wonderful, and I really thank everybody so much. So that's really about it. I think I'll leave it there. It's a bit of a ramble, but at least we have some smooth jazz playing, and I hope I can mix the audio levels enough. Got a motorbike driving past there. Maybe I'll hire that up in the audio so we can all enjoy the sound of that Vespa engine. And but yeah, if you like the video, folks, do please hit that like button. And if you fancy following along for more adventures like the ones we are currently in the process of watching, you are most welcome to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, but for now, I will see you all in the next one. Take it easy, everybody. Cheers.